Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Raspberry Pi Rubik's Cube Solver. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to build a Rubik's Cube solver using a Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi will capture images of the Rubik's Cube, analyze the colors of each face, calculate the solution, and then move the cube to solve it. Requirements *. 1 Raspberry Pi, any model should work. 2 webcam or Raspberry Pi camera module. 3 servo motors or stepper motors for rotating the cube. 4 Rubik's Cube. 5 Python programming knowledge. Steps * 1 Install required libraries *. Install the necessary libraries for image processing and motor control on your Raspberry Pi. You may need to install opencv for image processing and gpio libraries for motor control. 2 Capture images *. Use the webcam or camera module to capture images of each face of the Rubik's Cube. Ensure that the images are clear and well lit for accurate color detection. 3 Color detection *. Process the captured images to detect the colors of each face of the Rubik's Cube. You can use color thresholding and image segmentation techniques to identify the colors. 4 Cube representation *. Represent the Rubik's Cube in a data structure, example a 3D array, to store the colors of each face. This representation will help in generating the solution algorithmically. 5 Solve algorithm *. Implement a Rubik's Cube solving algorithm such as the CFOP, cross, F2L, OLL, PLL, method or Cauchy-Mbas algorithm. The algorithm should take the current state of the cube as input and generate a sequence of moves to solve it. 6 Motor control *. Use servo motors or stepper motors connected to the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins to rotate the Rubik's Cube according to the solution generated by the algorithm. Control the motors to perform the required moves to solve the cube. Example code *. This code demonstrates capturing an image using opencv on the Raspberry Pi. You can modify and expand this code to capture images of each face of the Rubik's Cube and process them for color detection. By following these steps and utilizing the example code provided, you can create your own Rubik's Cube solver using a Raspberry Pi. Experiment with different algorithms and motor control techniques to enhance the solver's performance.